She doesn't even go here.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy October 3rd. So if you guys have seen the movie Mean Girls, you'll know that on Wednesdays we wear pink. So here I have my Real Monsters t-shirt ready to start the video. In honor of Mean Girls, I will be doing an all pink eyeshadow look. So if you guys want to see how I do it, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, let's get started.
That is so fetch. Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen. Yo. Oh, you sucker MCs ain't got nothing on me. From my grades to my lines, you can't stop Kevin G. I'm a mathlete. A nerd, that's a word. I can't finish that. I'm like James Bond III. I'm like shaking not stirred. I'm shaking not stirred. I'm Kevin Paul.
Okay, so starting off, I already have my brows and my concealer on underneath my brows. And I'm going to be taking my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar Palette. And I'm going to be taking, if I can open it. And I'm going to be taking this color right here. So what I'm going to be doing is applying it to the inner part of my crease and the outer part of my crease.
Like, you know that I want it. Do anything for it, but you're in public ignoring. Oh my, baby, tell me why you like playing with my head all the time. Won't you make up your mind? We can stay, babe, between just friends.
So now I'm going to be taking this color right over here and I'm going to be blending that into my crease as well. You want to make sure to leave the center of your lids empty because we're going to be putting something else there.
Could never love another. We're skipping the kissing. Both hands on your hips and you say how much you've been missing. Oh my, me between your thighs, you like to kick.
So now to define our crease, I'm going to be taking this dark color right over here and applying it to my crease as well.
Oh my, baby, tell me why you like playing with my head all the time. Up your mind. We can stay, babe, between just friends and lovers.
So now I'm going to be taking this purple color right over here and applying it to the inner and outer parts of my crease.
Oh, I need it every night, telling you I could never love another.
So now I'm going to be cutting the inner part of my lid. So basically the trick to do that is by taking your concealer and applying it to the back of your hand like so. And with your concealer brush, what you do is you apply it to that empty space right over here. And tilt your head down and look up. This line right here, that's where you fill in your cut crease.
Ryan, let's
So now with this light pinky color again, you will put that on the outer parts of that cut that you made. taking that same dark purpley color so that I can blend out my cut crease. So now you're gonna be taking this color right here from your blood sugar palette and applying it to that empty space on your lid. So now with my Too Faced Glitter Pop eyeliner in the color Yes Way Rosé, and I'm gonna be applying it just above where my eyelids fold over. So because I do have a small mono lid, I'm gonna be applying it just a little bit above my crease. So now I'm gonna continue on with my base. Be taking this dark red color and applying it in my lower lash line. And with this color right over here, I'm going to be applying it on the inner part of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be applying my lashes and my mascara, and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette, and I'm going to be applying this gold pinky color as my highlighter. Now for this video, I'm going to be testing out one of Rihanna's new Fenty Beauty liquid lipsticks in the color Uncuffed. As you can see, I haven't even opened the box yet, so we'll see what this looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like, and the color seems to be like a pinky nude tone color. If I swatch it on my hand, this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. So I'm gonna be applying this color to my lips.
Puse los frenos para que no arranques, con las mismas mentiras que todos ya saben. De mi corazón tú no tienes las llaves. Las perdiste ese día que tú me fallaste. But what you didn't know, girls talk. What you didn't know,
So as my liquid lip starts oxidizing, it's definitely settling into a very pretty like pink color, and I really like it a lot. Like, as you can see, it starts to dry down on my hand. It looks really cool. Okay, so now it's time for me to set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray.
Secretos que todos conocen. Eres un idiota vestido de hombre.
I can fit my whole fist in my mouth. Wanna see?
Alright everyone, this is going to be the final look for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Remember that this October I'll be posting 2 new videos every single week. So I'm going to have 1 video every Wednesday and 1 video every single Friday. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Borra mi número, también mi nombre. Ya no me interesa saber que me